Hi children, welcome back to computer class. So today we are going to start our chapter 5, that is Introduction to MS Word 2016. So before going to start the class, let us watch a story. Okay. So this was an old city of Wonderland. Okay, and there was an ice cream factory. You all like ice creams. Okay, so in the ice cream factory, the managers decided to write their recipes of the ice creams in a notebook, and they also like to choose the different designs of the cone and all things they started writing all the things in a notebook. After some days, the number of notebooks increased and it find very difficult for them to handle all the notebooks. So they decided to buy a computer, and in this computer they have a software to create their document and to write their recipes, stories, or anything they can write. And we are going to study about that software in this class, that is MS Word. Okay, so MS Word is a software application from the Microsoft Office suite that is used to create, edit and print text documents. So a Microsoft Word or MS Word is a software application that is used to create, edit and print text documents. So MS Word was it is from Microsoft Office suite. And first we have to know how to start MS Word. So there are two ways to start the MS Word application on a computer. Either you can start by using your there are two ways to start the MS Word application. That is, you can first you have to select the start menu, then click the start button, then you can select the word or press the Windows key and R in the keyboard. Okay, first you have to go to your start button, then in the start menu you can choose the option, there will be the application Word, or you can press the Windows key in your keyboard plus R in the keyboard. Okay, that is the second one. And in the dialog box type WinWord. So when there will be a search bar in the start button, and in the search bar you have to write WinWord, WINWORD, and press enter. So you can see the MS Word window will appear. Select blank document option and start creating document. So these are the different ways that you can open your MS Word. Either you can click on your either you can press your keyboard Window key and R, or you can go to the start menu and you can write WinWord on your search button. Next, when you open the MS Word, you can see a window will open, and there are many parts in your textbook. It is shown in page number 52. You can see many parts are there. Let us discuss each part one by one. First is the title bar. First one is the title bar. It is a horizontal bar located at the top of the window. It displays the name of the document. The right side of the title bar contains the minimize, maximize, restore and close button. So first we are going to learn about title bar. Title bar is the bar that you can see at the top of your window, and it display the name of the document. We will have a name for the document, and that name will be displayed at the top of the window. So that is the title bar. And the right side of the title bar contains minimize, maximize or restore and close button. In the right side you can see minimize, maximize or restore and close buttons. Next is the quick access toolbar. Second one is the quick access toolbar, and it contains frequently used commands. So when we use our MS Word application, we might use some options or some tools, that is save, undo, redo, etc. These frequently used commands can be seen in quick access toolbar. That means we can easily access that tools from quick access toolbar. Third is the ribbon. Next one is the ribbon. Ribbon is located just below the title bar. It contains of tabs and group. The long area that you can see below the title bar is the ribbon. It consists of many tabs and each tab consists of many groups. Next, file tab. So we have learned title bar, quick access toolbar and ribbon. Next is the file tab. File tab is located on the upper left corner of the window. When we click this tab, a new screen appears. This is called backstage view. The backstage view helps us create, save, open and print files. So the file tab is located on the upper left corner of the window, and when we click this tab, a screen appears. So when we click that tab, a screen appears and that screen is called backstage view. This backstage view screen helps us to create, save, open and print files. So if we have to create or we have to save a file, we have to choose the options from the backstage view, which is the file tab. And next, document window. This is the area where text is typed or edited. The vertical blinking line indicate where the typed text will appear in the document and is known as the cursor. So document area or document window is the large white space you can see where you have to type your text or you can edit the typed text. And in this area you can see a small blinking line that is called a cursor. So in the document area you can see the cursor. And next is the status bar. Status bar, it is located on the lower side of the application window. It displays information such as the word count, number of pages and a small icon showing if there are any grammatical errors in the text. So status bar is located at the lower left. It will be seen in the lower left area, and it displays information such as word count, how many words are there, then the number of pages, and it also shows whether there are any mistakes or not. The next is the view bar. View bar is located at the lower right side of the application. It allows users to view the document in different modes such as web layout, print layout and read mode. So you can see the view bar at the right side, lower right side of the window, and this view bar is used to view your document in different modes, that is web layout, print layout and read mode. You can choose the different modes from this view bar. Next is the zoom tool. So zoom tool means, as the name indicates, we can zoom the document. It is located at the right corner of the right side of the view bar. They help us set the zoom level of the document. Next is the scroll bar, which is the last part of the MS window. And scroll bar, the vertical scroll bar is located along the right side of the screen. You can see in the right side a bar is there. We can scroll that bar. So it is vertical scroll bar help us to move our document up and down, and you can also see a horizontal scroll bar which is under the document, and we can use to move our document left or right. So these are the different parts of an MS Word window. So let us have a look on the different parts. Okay, so let us have a look on how to start MS Word. Either you can choose click on the start button and you can type here WinWord. So you can see the Word 2013 here. Click on that. Okay, and you can see a window appear here. You have to click on the blank document, and this is the Microsoft Word window and the different parts of it. So first we have learned about the title bar. So this is the title bar, and you can see the name of our document at the title bar. Here it is, we haven't given any name, so document 1 there. Next, second one is the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar, and in this area you can see different tools that we commonly used. Third one is the ribbon. This large area, the large square here, the large rectangle box here is the ribbon, and in this ribbon it consists of many tabs. The tabs are home, insert, design, page layout, etc. are the different tabs, and each tab have different groups. Here home tab consists of different groups, insert tab consists of different groups, like that all the tabs consist of different groups. Next is the file tab. So this is first one is the file tab, and we have learned that when we click on the file tab, a new screen appear. This is called the backstage view. So this is the backstage view, and in this backstage view you can see the options to open, save, print, etc. Next is the document window. So this is the document window where you can type your document. You can type anything or you can edit anything in this document area, and this small blinking line is called a cursor. Next is the status bar. Status bar is located on the lower left of the application window. So status bar consists of the word count. Here this is the status bar, and it shows the word count, and it shows the mistakes, if any, in the status bar. Next is the view bar. View bar is seen at the view bar is seen at the bottom right side, and here different modes are there: reading mode, web layout, and print layout. These are the three different layout that you can see in the view bar. Next is the zoom tool. At the right side of the view bar, you can see the zoom tool. We can either zoom in or zoom out our document by using the zoom tool. And last is the scroll bar. The scroll bar can be seen at the bottom, or two types of scroll bars are there: vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. Okay, thank you. Let us meet in the interactive session.